Today we'll see what is futures trading and how to do futures trading. Plus we will also do a quick comparison of futures trading against our regular intraday and delivery trades. Plus how to select futures contract in Zero the Kite with a live demo. Plus some of the strategies that we need to follow while doing futures trading and some part of the risk management. First let's do a quick comparison so that you get to know the futures trading during the comparison itself. So we have types. I have categorized the types into 6 types. Based on going long, short, time frame, risk, quantity to buy and leverage, and the comparison is against the 3 different products that we have. First let us see the types by buy and sell. So going long, you can buy and sell in intraday. In CNC you can buy and sell, but in futures also you can do buy and sell. It is same across all the segment. If you see the sell and buy, you can do in intraday, that is going short. In CNC you cannot sell and buy, you can do buy and sell. And in futures you can short it. So this is the advantage in futures. It is like you have the leverage plus you also have the time frame. Next let us see the time frame. So intraday you have same day, you have to buy and sell at any cost. You have to, if you have taken leverage, you have to close it. But if you have adequate margin, you can also convert the position for intraday. In CNC in delivery we have ample time. You can also sell the same day, but if you bought the stocks with your actual cash in hand, you can carry forward. In futures you can do same day like intraday, or you can hold for up to 1 month or 2 month or 3 month based on the contracts that you are buying. I will show how to choose those contracts in the Zero the Kite. Just understand the concepts now. While we are going into the web app, we will be getting a clear idea. Next, risk. The risk is throughout all the segments, doesn't matter, stock market is risky. I wanted to put that point. Next, quantity to buy. You can buy any number of quantity in intraday. There is no limit, starting from 1 to a lakh or crore, like that. CNC or delivery, similar to intraday, the quantity can be anything. It can start from 1. But in futures it is in the lots. So lots is nothing but it's a group of quantity. Let us say you can buy 500 quantity, we call it as 1 lot in futures. If you want to buy more than 500 quantity, then you need to buy 2 lots, 1000 quantity, then 1500, and multiples of lots. That is what the quantity that you can buy in futures. Next we'll see about the leverage. This is the very important point. So leverage for intraday, yes, they give the leverage, but it is up to the brokers and the SEBI. They have reduced the leverage a little bit now. For CNC there is no leverage. You have to buy the actual stocks with the actual money in your hand. Then in futures, yes, you can use the leverage. Here you can actually buy stocks worth of 5 to 6 lakhs with 1 or 2 lakhs, and the benefit is you can carry it for 1 month or 2 months using this leverage, but the MTM will be daily happening. The profit and loss will be daily there, but your position will still be open. Suppose if the stock came down in futures and again it bounces back, you will get the actual money in the next day. It is just an open position like that. You are not squared off. So the problem here is if we are using extreme leverage, so the risk and reward will be very high. The risk will also be high, the reward will also be high. So once we see that in the system, you will get a good point. So that is the reason I wanted to let you know. This is a highly leveraged product, futures. The risk and reward both are high, because when you are trying to buy 5 lakh worth of stocks with just 1 or 2 lakh, think about the leverage that you are getting and the profit and loss that you will be getting it. I'm in Zero the Kite. We'll see a quick future contract how to select. I'll take example for TCS. So I will just type TCS. I will add it to the watch list. Now if I want to trade the TCS future contract, now what I will do is just type TCS and type FUT. So any given point of time, you will always have 3 months of contract open. Now we are in August, because of that it is displaying August, September, October. I will go and add all these contracts so that we can also see the price, how it differs from the actual price. Just 1 or 2 rupees. Here it is 10 rupees difference. For this it's 8 or something. It here 1 or 2 rupees different. So if you go to September, August, we are in August. If you go to September, you will have September, October, a new contract called TCS November future, NOV FUT. This August will go away. So every time the future will expire on the last Thursday of every month. So we have this contract of TCS August future will expire on 27th. So before that you have to close this position. Doesn't matter whether you have profit or loss, you have to close it, sell it before, if you have bought in NRML. So we will see that the margin calculations and everything. So I said the lot size, no, here the quantity 300. If you increase it, it will be 600, 900, 1200, like that. You can only buy in lot size. You can do intraday and you can also do NRML. Even if you buy in NRML, if you do MIS, you have to sell on the same day. But if you choose NRML, you have the option to sell on the same day as well, and you can hold till the last Thursday of whichever the month that you are going to buy, like that. You have both the options. So it is not necessary that if you have bought NRML, I need to hold till the last year. You can close it immediately in the next 5 minutes or on the same day itself. That's not an issue. So but you can see the margin difference here. For MIS you just need 47,000, but if in NRML you need 1,45,000. This is the margin. So since you are carrying it, you need additional money. That is the reason. So if you see this leverage, the kind of leverage, if you want to buy TCS 300 stocks, we will calculate how much you need in CNC. The price is 2,249. The quantity is 300. So you might need 6,47,700. That is 6 to 7 lakh worth of stocks can be bought with the money of just 1.45 lakhs. So this is the major difference in futures. If your position, if your direction and everything is correct, for every 1 rupee change you will get 300 rupees profit. If TCS moves today 10 rupees and if you bought the future contract, you will be standing at a profit of 3,000 rupees. But if it goes opposite, you will again lose the same amount of money, 3,000 for 10 rupees change if it comes opposite. So this strategy that we need to employ for trading futures is that you have to have a when you are 100% confident whether the stock will go down. Similarly, you have to select stock which is already at the 52-week high, a stock which it at its peak. It is not like you are going to trade a stock which is where there is normal movement or during the 12 o'clock or something in the evening. Like we will have a sluggish market sometimes. So you should not be trading like it. You have to only buy in futures when you are 100% confident of the stock is going to go to this point, or when you are an expert in stock selection, like that. So only at that time you have to do futures. Else it is better that you move away from futures and focus on other products. So you can actually take short sell futures when a stock moves a new high, forms a new high. It will definitely come. Like we had the Glenmark, Cipla, some of the stocks had moved to the top due to some news. Again it corrected the Fibonacci retracement. Once you understand the breakout, retracement, all those things, it will be little easy for you to go ahead and trade. Now let us see the other stocks, some of the other stocks. I will go with SBI, State Bank of India. So here you see State Bank of India has lot size of 300. I will go and choose all the, yes, not SBI Life, sorry, it's SBI IN. So I will also show where to see all these contracts. So here you see State Bank of India. The lot size is 3,000. For every 1 rupee change you will get 3,000 rupees. So here it is, the lot size is very high, the risk will also be very high. The leverage that required is 2,06,000 for NRML. MIS it's 57,000. So if you are 100% confident that State Bank of India will definitely move 4 or 5 rupees today, we can go and take MIS State Bank of India. If it moves 4, we will get 12,000 rupees profit. So leverage is a double-edged sword. It has both the positive and negative. Now let us see where to see the stocks, zero the margin calculator. Which are the stock that we get to trade in futures. Go to FNO calculator and equity futures. You can see here, just type whichever the stock that you want, or you can go and see for ACC the lot size is 500, the margin is NRML is 1,53,000. Some of the stocks are banned today, they are currently banned, but it will again You can see the MWPL limit, market wide position limit. If it crosses around 95, 80, more than 80%, it will come under ban. So you can actually take the stocks before that. Amara Raja batteries, we have 1000 lot size, and then our margins this side, and price. So everything will be there. You can just enter how much money you have, price, and it will show the number of lots that you can buy in NRML, like that. So this similarly you can also use this for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Here we will see the Nifty, Bank Nifty and Nifty. Most of the people will be doing this thing. You can also actually do futures here also if you are tied to options. So Bank, we have 1,47,000 for Nifty, and Bank Nifty 1,26,000. The lot size is 75 and 25. So similarly, whichever the stock you think going to go positive, you can go and do futures trading. So this is one of the things that I wanted to let you know. I think we covered mostly all the topics. We have covered the strategy, risk management, strict stop loss. Before entering the trade, you have to set your stop loss. You have to fix the stop loss, how much you are going to exit maximum with the stop loss. So that is very, very important, the risk management part. If you are not using stop loss in futures, then it's a disaster. So that's all I wanted to convey. I hope you got a better idea. If you have any doubts, please WhatsApp me. The number is here. If you want options trading training courses, you can get it from our website. It's free. If you can refer someone and get it. So this is our website, powerpangu.com. So we have I have made several strategies for options, so it will be very helpful. If you don't know anything, you can refer this. Here is the WhatsApp number. If you want, you can dial in. Bye bye. Thank you.